toughest, those are components that are made by OshKosh at our plant facilities and machine shops in OshKosh, Wisconsin. Okay? Our OshKosh P Series has some really great attributes. One of the best features on a truck like this is our all-steer system. So not only can this truck get through anything you put in front of it, but on your airfield, it's just ultra maneuverable. So when you turn the steering wheel, the all-steer system has a couple of different modes, but the most useful one is where we go into a coordinated mode. So when you turn the front axle to steer the truck, the rear axle will steer the opposite direction, greatly reducing the turning circle of the truck. So if you're plowing around fuel islands and terminals and even aircraft, you've got just excellent maneuverability, so you don't have to stop, back up, and proceed. It's really an awesome system. It's a bulletproof, it's an analog system, so you don't have to worry about, you know, digital systems and so forth. A lot of those systems are really easily maintained and understood by your mechanics. Super heavy axles, heavier axles than you'll find on any over-the-road trucks. This particular truck is a 25,000-pound front and 26,000-pound rear. We also offer this in a tandem. So we can have even more capacity on the back, so you could have an even larger e-poke spreader. And even with that tandem axle truck, we offer an all-steer. So again, you would have a longer truck, but you're not sacrificing any maneuverability, because that all-steer is going to kick in, and it's really a neat design. So again, that's that extreme performance we're talking about. We have to, you know, at an airport, we understand the challenges you have staying open or staying on time when you have snow and you have limited resources, limited number of people, limited time, and we think that this big beast, even though it's a big, massive machine, it's really going to give you efficiency that you need to so that small staff of yours can keep the airport on time. I mentioned the Cummins ISX power. OshKosh, we believe in staying current with emissions. So all of the trucks we build will have a current EPA emission compliant engine, which means that we've got all sorts of, you know, after treatment and so forth, like you'd see on an over-the-road truck. We do have a manual regen, so you don't have to worry about the truck going into some sort of a regen mode when it's on a runway. But it is a clean truck. We know that's important for airports. You know, there's green initiatives that help you get grants and so forth, but this truck is, you can drive this on the road without any problem. And EPA does watch that, and there have been examples where they've limited airports to what they can do with their trucks on the outside of the perimeter. So this one is EPA compliant. We have a cab that's really built for snow. It's kind of an old school look cab, isn't it? But it's tough, it's insulated, it's quiet. Reverse slope windshield is perfect for snow. You're not going to have snow sticking to your windshield. Just an excellent, versatile truck. A combination of commercial components and our tough OshKosh components give you something that's built for the toughest conditions on Earth, and that's what you experience in airports. The e-poke spreader is just an excellent choice for a truck like this, but if you needed, one of our most common applications is just a straight de-icer spreader. So on a tandem axle, you can put up to 5,000 pounds of liquid de-icer on the back of a truck like this with your big 20 or 40-foot booms. The OshKosh is really one of the few vehicles that can handle that type of an application because of the weight. So, you know, that's really about everything, John. Any questions that I can help answer? All right. Well, again,